Hi, I'm Tim Carter, co-founder of Stain Solver, and I want to show you how easy it is to remove upholstery stains. Stain Solver is both color and fabric safe, so you've got nothing to worry about. This happens to be a cat vomit stain. Stain Solver will work to clean any food or liquid stain. You do the same thing to clean all stains. Mix 2 tablespoons of Stain Solver with 16 ounces of warm or hot water. Stir for 1 minute until all of the Stain Solver powder dissolves. Remove any solids from the stained upholstery and saturate the stain with the solution. It's best to saturate the entire cushion, as spot cleaning will not work well if the entire cushion is dirty. Allow the solution to work for 30 minutes or even an hour. The longer you allow the Stain Solver solution to work, the cleaner your upholstery will be. At the end of the wait period, blot the stain with a clean towel. Rinse with clear water and blot until you remove as much moisture as possible. Look at how clean the cushion is. It's remarkable. The stain's completely gone. I want to remind you that spot cleaning can be a little problematic. Your upholstery may be a little dirty and you don't realize it, and when you clean just one spot, that spot gets very clean, and believe me, you'll be able to see the difference. I also want to let you know that some stains, even after you clean them and they're still wet, there's a shadow of the stain there. Once the upholstery dries, the stain disappears. That can happen with yellow mustard and a few other types of food stains. So let it dry and see what happens. If you've got questions, you want to know more about how to clean your upholstery, just go to the FAQ page at stainsolver.com.